Exactly 1 liter enough, bhaiya. Exactly 1 liter. So done. Finally, petrol completely over. You can see here, it's blinking. So there is no fuel in this bike right now. You can see, and 712.7 kilometers. So we'll check now. 1 second, let me start. Yeah, no petrol. Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, today I just wanna show you exact mileage of Dominar 250. Again, I'm telling you Dominar 250 and 2020 BS6 engine. So I thought to show you city mileage, highway mileage, and in top speed how much you are getting mileage. So total 3. Again, I'm telling you, in city how much mileage you will get, I'll show you now, and in highway how much you will get, that is also I'll show you today only, and in top speed how much mileage you will get, that also these 3 I'll cover today. So right now you can see there is no fuel in this bike. Completely it's over. It's a completely empty tank. So I have a 3 liters of petrol. So I'll check. Now I'll put and I'll check, because why I'm doing like this, because I have already tried full tank. Again we have to go somewhere, again we have to fill the petrol. Like this I tried like mileage test, but results are not at all accurate, guys. Sometimes I'm getting 30, sometimes I'm getting 32, 33, like that. So this time I thought to try like this. So I'll show you total 3. Again, I'm telling you in city how much I'm getting, and in highway how much I'm getting in top speed. So total 3. So right now I'm in Bangalore. So from here towards Koramangala I'll go to Electronic City. So in city we can see how much mileage we are getting, and from there again I'll go to highway. In highway also I'll show you below 300 if you are going, how much mileage you are getting. So then top speed. So when you are going in top speed, how much mileage you will get. So total 3 I'll cover. So let me put petrol. So as you can see, there is no petrol. It's blinking completely, and you can see the kilometers right now. It's once again 712.7 kilometers right now. Again, I'm telling you 712.7 kilometers. So from here we will check in city how much mileage we are getting. So I bought total 4 liters of petrol. So 1 liter petrol. So we will check in city first. So completely I kept 1 liter petrol. So we'll see. So you can see, again I'm telling you 712 kilometers 0.7. So we'll check from now. So from here we will check so how many kilometers it will come in the city, proper city in Bengaluru, Namma Bengaluru. So day before yesterday I came to Bangalore, guys, and actually I have some shoot here, so I came for only 1 day. So I thought to make this video. Once if it is done, immediately again I will continue in my Tamil Nadu trip. So as I said before, only I am traveling all over India, every day, every state, every district. So almost I finished everything in Tamil Nadu. Still few more districts are there. After that immediately I will go to Andhra. From there Telangana, then north. So without gap in this middle. So every day traveling. So this is actually Kundanhalli. It's a very famous for traffic. If you want to see the traffic, you can come here, but not now. Before Corona. So now there is no traffic. So this is Marathalli. It's a very famous for Andhra people and PGs, and you'll get next level food here like Andhra food. So most of Telugu people you can see here. Such a nice place, and this is Emluru Junction. I'll tell you about this place. So if you go little bit left, what is the famous for this place? 70 rupees only temper glass. Yes, you can get, so there are so many temper glass places are there. Left side people, they used to sell for 70 rupees, 60 rupees temper glass. And the main thing is, if you want to see live helicopter or Air Force, these kind of flights, you can see here left side. Most of the people, they used to stop here and they will see helicopters and all. So now I'm in Murugesh Palja HL Old Airport Road Signal. This is famous for Comfort Mall. Yeah, Comfort Mall. Next, after this, yeah, this is famous for Manipal Hospital also. And the one more thing is for Leela Palace. It's a very, 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 very good, but really expensive. I'll show you that also. Leela Palace, you can see here. Once if you cross this, left side you can see Manipal Hospital, right side you can see Leela Palace. Yeah, this is the signal. Let me go. Next, fast way. Yeah, this is Manipal Hospital. You can see right side, this is Leela Palace, most expensive. I don't know whether it's a hotel or something. It's a hotel, but really it's really expensive. You can see right side. So next, from here we will take left. So we came to Koramangala. It's a very famous for pubs and parties and hookah bars. You can find there are so many hookah bars are there in Koramangala, and there are nice formal also here only you can get, and so such a nice place for parties. So from here little bit we will go, then we will take left like towards Electronic City. So all these places are like little bit traffic is, you can find traffic here, that's why I'm going in this way. So I just want to know exactly in this kind of traffic how much mileage I am getting for my Dominar 250. So koncham mundukelli, yeah. So almost we came out almost. It is like city outskirts, Electronic City. So I think hardly it will come 2 to 3 kilometers if my guess is correct, because almost I came so far. Yeah, I can feel the shakings. Done. Petrol little bit is there. I have to stop somewhere, it's shaking. So let me check in city how much we will get for Dominar 250. Ooh, how much? It's a 741.5. That means before 741.5 minus 712.7. That means almost 28.8 kilometers per liter. That means almost 29. So Dominar 250 on city, 29 kilometers you are getting, guys, for 1 liter. 29 kilometers in city in Bengaluru. I checked. So let me check again. I'll tell you 741.5. So from here I'll go. See, from here completely it's a highway. So we will go in highway. Now I'll show you in highway how much you are getting in mileage. Like I don't cross in 100. Again I'm telling you guys, in highway I won't cross 100 kilometers speed. So I want to check below 100 kilometers speed how much mileage we are getting. After that again I will check like after 100 kilometers like top speed. When you are going in top speed, how much mileage you are getting. That is also I'll make a video. So total 2 videos. So when it comes to city, again I'm telling you average is coming 29 kilometers per liter Dominar 250. So from now we'll check in highway how much mileage we are getting. So 741.5 we'll see in highway. Again I'm telling you in highway I don't cross 100. So below 100 only I'll go. So I want to check how much mileage we are getting in highway. So this is completely highway from here. It's a Tamil Nadu route. You can see I'm going on 85, 90. Otherwise I'm not even crossing 100. 85, once again 92. I think in highway we will get more mileage, because whenever I'm going for like long 250 kilometers and all, I used to get next level mileage in highway. So if you are not crossing 100, guys, again I'm telling you in highway, if you are not crossing 100 kilometers speed, you will get next level mileage in Dominar 250. Yeah, petrol over. Ooh, it's moving again, it's shaking. have to stop slowly. I'll stop. Still it's moving. Go. Inkoncham. I want little bit more mileage because I used to travel so much on highways only. So moving. Still it's going. Okay, let me wait. Yeah. Done. Oh. I'm eagerly waiting for this mileage, seriously, because it's very important for me in mileage how much I'm getting. Yeah, let me check. So you can see in highway before it is 741. So now 775.9. Yes, it's a 775.9. That means 775.9 minus 741.5 before. So oh my god, almost 34.4 kilometers. In highway we are I got almost 35 kilometers, guys. 34.4. That means 35 kilometers I got mileage in highway. Let me check in top speed. So again I'm telling you, in highway Dominar 250 I got 34.4. 775.9 minus 741.5. So 35 kilometers mileage almost in highway. It's actually good. For me it's a very important. So in highway 35 kilometers mileage we are getting in Dominar 250. Next we'll check in top speed. So I'll cross 100 now. So maximum I'll go 130, 135, because in flat road Dominar 250 will go maximum 135. I already checked in flat road, again I'm telling you, proper road. So now we'll see. I don't think so now I'll get proper mileage, because I know whenever if I cross 120 only, immediately if I go somewhere, like immediately the petrol will be over. I'm going almost to 135. You can see 135, 136 I'm going. So again I'm telling you guys, in highway I got 35 kilometers mileage. In city I got 29 kilometers. So in highway, that too below 100 I got 35 kilometers. So now in top speed how much I am getting mileage, we'll check. So I am going almost to 130, 135. Again I'm telling you, I am going 130, 135 now. It was raining like anything there. Now it's okay, little bit. Completely I am wet, guys. Completely I am wet. So it's going. Still petrol is there. Oh my god, how much? Let me check. I am going 136, 135, 136. Yeah, maximum 136 it can go, like in proper road, top speed. So I'm going almost in 135. Came down again. I think little bit is there petrol. I can feel that it started moving again, shaking. Still it's going, guys. I'm going almost 135 again, 135. So I think done petrol. Let me check how many kilometers. I'm eagerly waiting for this also. It's done almost petrol. Slowly it's moving, shaking. I'll stop here. So let me check. It's a 801.8. That means before 775.9. Oh my god, 25.9. That means almost 26 kilometers in top speed. Oof, it's very less. In top speed in Dominar 250, guys, we are getting just 26 kilometers per liter. It's really less. Again I'm telling you, if you cross 100 you will get just 26 kilometers mileage per liter. So I have to go back now. I don't have petrol now, so this is to reach my home. So let me put petrol. It's good. So in city we are getting almost 29 kilometers. In highway, you can see in highway properly, if you drive like within 100 kilometer speed, you will get 35 almost. If you cross 100, you will get just 26 kilometers mileage, guys. So this is the video, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe and like it, comment and share it. If you have any doubts regarding Dominar 250, do comment below. I will reply. If I am unable to reply in YouTube, please do follow me in Instagram, Travel with Dinil Rahul. Anytime I'll give you a reply. If you have any doubt, just do message. Bye bye, guys. Take care.